Hey guys, in today's video, I want to show you how to run HTML files using Visual Studio Code. As you might know, to run an HTML file, you need either to copy the path of the file and paste it into your browser like this, or you can also directly drag the file to your browser. But in this video, you will learn how to run them directly from Visual Studio Code. It will be faster than the traditional ways. Let's begin. First of all, you need to go to Visual Studio Code. As you can see, I have my simple HTML file right here. Now we need to go into the Extensions tab right here. Visual Studio Code has a huge extensions marketplace for any programming language, and I really recommend you to check them out. The one we will be using today is called Open in Browser. Just search for it and install it. It doesn't take more than 10 seconds. As you can see, it has more than 9 million downloads, so it's trusted. Now that we have it, we just need to go to our HTML file again. To use the extension, we can either right-click the code of the file or directly right-click the file. You can see there are two new options. You can choose between open the file in your default browser or other browsers. It will now ask me how I want to open the file. You can choose between any. In my case, I will be using Google Chrome, and the file will open in your browser. That's how easy it is. If you want to learn how to insert a Google map in your HTML website like this, I uploaded the tutorial yesterday. Check it out. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like for more. Thanks for watching.